say, as I'm just car shopping, I'm actually doing the old school shopping at the same time. I got another one right here. Old school Cadillac, man, as I'm just driving around picking up cars, man. They're all over the place, dude. All over the place, man. These cars are everywhere, y'all. They're everywhere. Damn, it's rough over here. Jesus Christ. Man. There goes look like a 50 model Ford over there, maybe later. Not 100% sure, because I'm not going that far off in there on that side there. Say, man, these cars are everywhere, dude, because I'm always looking to see what new cars they done brought or whatever cars I missed. You know what I'm saying? When I'm crushing over here, because I don't always go all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Searching for some of these cars. Sometimes they just be very close to me, and I don't have to go all the way around. But this time I had to go. This time I had to go all the way around just to find some cars. This time on this round here. Like I say, man, that these cars are everywhere off in here, man. They're everywhere. These cars are stashed off in here. They've been in this place for years, man. For years and years. I don't know how many years. Some of these cars have been here for a long time. Man, I gotta try to get myself out of here. Running over the old school car right here, the Chevy. Don't want to mess it up. Cause that bumper, man, that bumper on that Chevy sure look fresh, man. I'm talking about this Chevy right here. That bumper sure do look fresh on that. Look at that. Man, golly. Man, they're everywhere, man. Like I say, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a car off in the woods right here where all these trees at. I wouldn't be surprised if there's one hiding off in there somewhere. But like I say, man, these cars are hiding everywhere, y'all. Everywhere. They're all over the goddamn place around here, man. Don't even know how to drive in this place, man. Jeez, I hate when these people come off in here. Alright, y'all guys, man, we finna go to lunch because we ain't even been to lunch yet, and we're hungry. So I will get back with y'all here in a little bit.